量词
Measure word.
Measure word. How do you say a person in Chinese?
一个人，一个人，一个人，
How do you say a storybook in Chinese?
一本故事书，一本故事书，一本故事书，
How do you say a bar of soap in Chinese?
一块肥皂，一块肥皂，一块肥皂，
How do you say a ruler in Chinese?
一把尺，一把尺，一把尺，
How do you say a vest in Chinese?
一件背心，一件背心，一件背心，
How do you say a butterfly in Chinese?
一只蝴蝶，一只蝴蝶，一只蝴蝶，
How do you say a taxi in Chinese?
一辆出租车，一辆出租车，一辆出租车，
How do you say a bottle of juice in Chinese?
一瓶果汁，一瓶果汁，一瓶果汁，
How do you say a cup of green tea in Chinese?
一杯绿茶，一杯绿茶，一杯绿茶，
How do you say a pair of gloves in Chinese?
一双手套，一双手套，一双手套，
How do you say a piece of paper in Chinese?
一张纸，一张纸，一张纸，
How do you say a bowl of porridge in Chinese?
一碗粥，一碗粥，一碗粥，
How do you say an insect in Chinese?
一种昆虫，一种昆虫，一种昆虫，
How do you say a donkey in Chinese?
一匹驴子，一匹驴子，一匹驴子，
How do you say a pig in Chinese?
一头猪，一头猪，一头猪，
How do you say a caterpillar in Chinese?
一条毛虫，一条毛虫，一条毛虫，
How do you say a leader in Chinese?
一位领导，一位领导，一位领导，
How do you say a survey in Chinese?
一项调查，一项调查，一项调查，
How do you say an engineer in Chinese?
一名工程师，一名工程师，一名工程师，
How do you say a bar in Chinese?
一家酒吧，一家酒吧，一家酒吧，
How do you say a dream in Chinese?
一场梦，一场梦，一场梦，
How do you say A gap. In Chinese.
一段差距，一段差距，一段差距。
How do you say? A piece of love. In Chinese.
一片爱心，一片爱心，一片爱心。
How do you say? An apartment. In Chinese.
一套公寓，一套公寓，一套公寓。
How do you say? A tower. In Chinese.
一座塔，一座塔，一座塔。
How do you say? A biography. In Chinese.
一部传记，一部传记，一部传记。
How do you say? A layer of glass. In Chinese.
一层玻璃，一层玻璃，一层玻璃。
How do you say? A herd of elephants. In Chinese.
一群大象，一群大象，一群大象。
How do you say? An army of soldiers. In Chinese.
一支军队，一支军队，一支军队。
How do you say? A group of freshmen. In Chinese.
一批新生，一批新生，一批新生。
How do you say? A report. In Chinese.
一篇报道，一篇报道，一篇报道。
How do you say? A bad smell. In Chinese.
一股臭味，一股臭味，一股臭味。
How do you say? A song. In Chinese.
一首歌，一首歌，一首歌。
How do you say? A loud bang. In Chinese.
一声巨响，一声巨响，一声巨响。